up. We need to find shade now. Can't we just keep walking or like just rest for a little while? Because we made it this far. Get up, it's raining. Wait, really? Yeah. Don't you see it? You could even see it in the water. See? Now you need to get up. I know. Ah! I see a tree over there. Let's go over there. Okay. There, this should keep us safe. Yeah, I guess. When are we gonna go home? I don't know. I'm sorry, this was all my fault. It's okay. I forgive you. But I lost the car and everything. You even lost your collar coming here. It's fine. It doesn't matter anymore as long as I'm with you. Thanks. So, is that it? Yeah, we gotta find more shade. I think this tree is pretty old. Here's a spot. I'm the one that pointed this out, you know. Yeah, I know. So, now what? I don't know. We'll have to see another day. Maybe tomorrow we'll find out. If all this rain will go away. Yeah, sure. For now, let's just go to sleep. We've been walking a whole bunch. Alright. Okay, time to go hunting.